Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Speak Now. I'm David, here with Anna, and this is day 11.
Hello, everyone. 11 days strong. You're building a habit, and habits are what create real change. So proud of you.
Today, we're heading to a place that's part of many people's daily lives, the gym. Whether you go every day or you're just thinking about joining, English at the gym is a really useful skill.
And it's a friendly place to practice. The words are short, the situations repeat, and most gym staff are used to helping new people. It's a perfect low-pressure practice ground.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to join a gym, ask about classes, use the equipment, and even chat with a fellow gym goer. Have you ever avoided asking for help because you didn't know the English words? Don't worry, that's over today. Let's go. Let's talk about why this matters. Staying active is important for your body, your mind, your mood. And the gym is a huge part of that for many people.
Exactly. And here's the thing. The gym is also a wonderful place to make friends. People go there regularly. They see the same faces. They say hello. A friendly hello can turn into a workout partner and even a real friendship.
But here's the consequence if you can't speak up. You might not know how to use a machine, and you're too shy to ask. You might miss a great fitness class because you couldn't ask about the schedule. You might feel silent in a place where you should feel strong.
But when you have the phrases, the gym feels welcoming. You ask, you learn, you improve. Your body gets stronger and so does your English. It's a double win.
Let's look at common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, saying, "How much money the gym?" The natural way is, "How much is the membership?" or simply, "How much is it?" Remember the pattern from day 5. How much is for any price.
Mistake number 2, staying silent by a machine because you don't know how to use it. Please don't. Just ask. "Excuse me, how do I use this machine?" Gym staff love to help.
Mistake number 3, not asking about classes. Many gyms have great free classes, yoga, dance, spinning, but beginners often miss them because they don't ask. Simple question. Is there a class today?
Mistake number 4, forgetting to ask about a trial. Most gyms offer a free tour or a trial day. Ask, "Can I have a tour, please?" You'll feel much more comfortable before you sign up.
Mistake number 5, being too shy to say hello to fellow members. A simple "hi" while you wait for a machine can lead to a warm connection. Small courage, big rewards.
All easy to fix. Let's learn the right phrases. Step by step. Repeat out loud.
Step number 1. I'd like to join the gym. This is your opening line. Polite, clear, direct.
Step number 2. How much is the membership? You need to know the price. Simple and useful.
Step number 3. Can I have a tour, please? Beautiful for a first visit. It lets you see everything before you decide.
Step number 4. Is there a class today? And a follow-up. What time is it? This one uses your day 10 time skills. Everything connects.
Step number 5. How do I use this machine? A lifesaver. Say it politely with a smile, and staff or other members will happily show you.
Step number 6. Do you have a beginner class? Excellent question for total newcomers. Many gyms have special classes for people just starting out.
Step number 7. A friendly one. Are you using this? If someone is near a machine and you're not sure, this is the polite way to ask.
Now let's hear it in action. Anna, you work at the gym.
Hi, welcome. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to join the gym. How much is the membership? And can I have a tour, please?
Absolutely. It's $40 a month, and I'd love to show you around. Perfect. Clear and confident. Let's try one more out on the gym floor. You're using a machine. David, ask for help.
Excuse me, how do I use this machine? Oh, let me show you. Simple, kind, useful.
Mini recap. I'd like to join. How much is the membership? Can I have a tour? Is there a class today? How do I use this machine? Do you have a beginner class? Are you using this? Home exercises.
Exercise number 1, the joining line. I'd like to join the gym. How much is the membership? Say it out loud 5 times.
Exercise number 2, the help question. How do I use this machine? This is one of the most useful phrases. Practice it 5 times in a friendly voice.
Exercise number 3, the class question. Practice. Is there a class today? What time is it? Do you have a beginner class? 3 simple questions, huge benefit.
Exercise number 4, the shadow role play. Play both the customer and the gym worker at home. Full mini conversation.
Exercise number 5, real gym prep. Before your next gym visit, run through the phrases silently as you walk in.
Small daily prep, big daily confidence.
Feelings time.
Challenge number 1. I feel embarrassed asking about machines. Please don't. Every person in the gym was a beginner once. Asking shows you're serious about learning. It's respected, not judged.
Challenge number 2. I'm too shy to speak in English at the gym. Start small. Even a hi to a staff member counts. Confidence builds through small, daily reps, just like muscle.
Challenge number 3. I don't understand the fast English on gym classes. Ask the instructor before class. Sorry, could you speak a little slowly today? I'm still learning English. Kind instructors will happily adjust.
Don't give up. The gym is where 2 kinds of strength grow at the same time.
Useful words. Membership. Your monthly or yearly plan to use the gym. Machine. A piece of gym equipment. Trial. A free test day. Instructor. The teacher who leads a class. Try one today.
3 questions. Answer out loud.
Question 1. What's the polite question to see the gym before joining? Question 2. How do you ask about the price of the membership? Question 3. What phrase asks a member if they're using a machine? Excellent.
Recap. I'd like to join. How much is the membership? Can I have a tour? How do I use this machine? Is there a class today?
You just added the gym to your English toolkit. That's real, everyday power.
Our question for you. Comment below. Do you exercise? What's your favorite way to stay active?
And please, like, share, and subscribe to DR Speak Now.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is DR Speak Now.